It is Sunday, June 19th. Game 7 of the NBA Finals is on. Fourth quarter, and my car won't start. My 2012 Ford Focus SE will not start. I put my foot on it, everything. This won't start. It's been working all day. I'm calling my insurance, and I do not know why. My Ford Focus will not start. Looked at the engine, everything's fine. Middle of game 7. And I am on Fontaine. I'm at Arco gas station. I just got some gas. I'm on Highland Avenue. And I'm at Fontaine, in the middle of Hollywood. And my car won't start. I'm gonna go inside, maybe inside look. If I can get it. Everything's fine with the engine. I do not know why my car won't start. Apparently this is game 7 of the NBA Finals. Cavs Warriors, fourth quarter, and my 2012 Ford Focus SE will not start. I read online that this has happened to other customers, and I was just letting y'all know what happened to me. Now, if anybody will help me to inform me what to do next, I'll be grateful. June 19th, Sunday, middle of Hollywood, and my car won't start.